ये 3 मिनट का केस है टोटल।
यस
ये 3 ही बिंदु देखने हैं इसमें। 1983 की लीज है।
जी
आपकी एक्टिविटी कब चालू हुई? जमीन खरीद के रखी थोड़ा ना जाती है महंगे दर पे बेचने के लिए। मैडम इस तरीके से बहस नहीं होती है। यू स्टैंडिंग बिफोर हाई कोर्ट। ये बताइए किस तारीख को प्रोडक्शन चालू हुआ? कुछ बना के लाई है सिनॉप्सिस वगैरह, कि आपके सीनियर ने ऐसे ही भेज दिया फाइल लेकर आपको? कि वहां तो लिखा था कि आपको पीवीसी बॉटल बनानी थी और पानी का पीली ब्रांड का, ये कहाँ से आ गया? नॉट लाइक दिस। ये किसने सिखाया आपको? ये बहुत डिसेप्टिव प्रैक्टिस है।
I apologize. I sincerely apologize for the same, Your Lordship. But I was just pointing out, Your Lordship.
नाम बताइए, अगर आपको इस रूल पे रिलाय करना है तो इसको फाइल करिए।
जी Your Lordship.
आपकी लीज डीड कैंसिल की है इन्होंने?
Yes, Your
क्या
Lordship.
टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस थी लीज की, उतना बताइए, वहां से शुरू करिए। What were the terms and conditions of the lease and what was the violation alleged against you?
Yes, Your
And then show that how that violation which has been alleged against you is not made out.
Yes, Your
ये
Lordship.
3 मिनट का केस है टोटल।
Yes, Your
ये 3 ही बिंदु देखने हैं इसमें।
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, by order dated 17/10/2012, our lease deed was terminated, Your Lordship.
17/10/2012।
Yes, Your Lordship.
हाँ,
There, Your Lordship, this order has been filed by way of application, Your Lordship. Application number is 1611/2016, Your Lordship.
ये कब फाइल करी आपने एप्लीकेशन?
Your Lordship, that application was filed in 6/12/2016 itself, Your
हाँ
Lordship.
ठीक है।
Your Lordship, by this order, Your Lordship, it has been clearly stated that if Your Lordship may come to para 2, Your Lordship.
क्या कहा इसमें?
कि पैरा टू योर लॉर्डशिप,
हाँ पढ़िए।
इस कार्यालय के पंजीकृत सूचना पत्र क्रमांक 70100 दिनांक 26/9/2012 द्वारा इकाई को पटाभिलेख की कंडिकाओं के नियम हेतु 60 दिवस सूचना पत्र दिया गया था। लॉर्डशिप, दैट इज द इम्प्यून्ड ऑर्डर अंडर व्हिच 17 lakhs were to be deposited.
Please try to understand, don't skip para 1. You were given land on lease for the purpose of making of PVC bottles and Parle Bailey Aqua products.
Yes, sir.
Now, आपने जो लेटर दिया P4 P5 में, उसमें
Yes.
आप ये कहाँ बना रहे हैं?
Your Lordship, we have subsequently asked for us to that it will be allowed for us to change the product.
1983 की लीज है।
जी Your Lordship.
आपकी एक्टिविटी कब चालू हुई? जमीन खरीद के रखी थोड़ा ना जाती है महंगे दर पे बेचने के लिए।
जी Your Lordship.
उसका पर्पस है इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन। उद्योग लगाने के लिए जमीन दी गई, आपने उद्योग कब लगाया? क्या स्टिपुलेशन था उद्योग लगाने के लिए? कितने समय में आपको लगा के चालू करना था? ये बताइए आप।
Your Lordship, we had started, Your Lordship, in 19. Your Lordship, but we were terminated on two conditions: that we have not deposited the amount that was asked, Your Lordship, which we have, and they have also said that we have not given reply, Your Lordship. That also we have. जिसके कई संतर्दित उत्तर नहीं दिया गया, Your Lordship, ना ही भुगतान भर पुनः उत्तरपादन प्रमाण करते हेतु कोई कार्यवाही की गई है, जो कि निष्पत्ता पट्टी की शर्त क्रमांक 7 और 18 का उल्लंघन है।
जी।
Lordship, so there were two reasons that were assigned that we have not started the work after them giving a notice, Your Lordship. By order P4, Your Lordship, we clearly stated that we have started the activity, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, if clause P, page 33 of the petition, Your Lordship.
Page 33 of the petition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Annexure.
Annexure P to page 33, Your Lordship.
Page 33, yes.
Your
Condition number 18.
Clause 18.
Clause 18.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lessee shall continuously run during the period of lease.
Closure of the factory for a continuous period exceeding 6 months without proper reasons to the satisfaction of the Lord shall be considered as a breach of the condition, Your Lordship.
जी।
Your Lordship, our work was undergoing. We've already written to them. After that, Your Lordship.
Which work was going on? Which work was going on? Condition 7 क्या कहती है?
Your Lordship, if certain land is not in use, then that may be given back, Your Lordship. But we were working on the entire land, Your Lordship.
बताइएगा थोड़ा सा। कंडीशन 7 भी पढ़ लीजिएगा थोड़ा सा। बताइएगा, when did you purchase the necessary machinery after allotment of land in the year 1983?
Your Lordship, if Your Lordship may come to page, Your Lordship, 81.
81 नहीं, पहले क्लॉज 7 तो पढ़िएगा।
Your Lordship. The lessee hereby agrees that he shall, within a period of 1 year, if it is a small-scale industry, from the date of taking over possession of the land, shall purchase the necessary machinery, start the business, and commence production.
Now, when did you start? When did you purchase machinery and commence production? मैडम इस तरीके से बहस नहीं होती है. यू आर स्टैंडिंग बिफोर हाई कोर्ट. ये बताइए किस तारीख को प्रोडक्शन चालू हुआ? कुछ बना के लाई है सिनॉप्सिस वगैरह? क्या आपके सीनियर ने ऐसे ही भेज दिया फाइल लेकर आपको? हाँ, तो उसमें क्या है सिनॉप्सिस में? कॉपी दी आपने हमको? लीजिएगा. डेट बताइए किस तारीख को शुरू हुआ प्रोडक्शन? किस तारीख को मशीनरी खरीदी? किस तारीख को प्रोडक्शन हुआ?
Exact date of when the machinery was bought, I don't have it.
That is clause 7. Clause 7 clearly says you should have been prepared for that. That this question will come from the court, because clause 7 says that the lessee hereby agrees that he shall, within a period of 1 year, if it is a small scale industry, from the date of taking over possession of the land, shall purchase the machinery, necessary machinery, start the business and commence production. That is one of the conditions of the lease. When did you fulfill this condition?
Your Lordship, प्रस्थापित निश्चित दिनांक पंजीयन दिनांक 21/4/1997, Your Lordship, page 81, Your Lordship.
क्या है ये? क्या लिखा है इसमें? जीआई फूड्स लिमिटेड इतना इतना निरीक्षण प्रतिवेदन 2012 का. पट्टा अभिलेख निष्पादन दिनांक 21/4/95. आपने 83 की डेट कहाँ से दिखा दी थी?
Lordship, 83 minutes the first lease was executed. After that, it was amended in 95 minutes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
It was amended. Yes. Your Lordship, according to this fact sheet also, Your Lordship, we...
हाँ, ठीक है. उसके बाद में फैब्रिकेटेड असेंबलीज,
Yes, Your Lordship.
हीटर असेंबली, मशीनरी पार्ट्स, पार्ट ऑफ हीट एक्सचेंजर, ये कहाँ से आएगा? क्योंकि वहां तो लिखा था कि आपको पीवीसी बॉटल बनानी थी और पानी का पीली ब्रांड का. ये कहाँ से आ गया?
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship may come to P5, Your Lordship.
P5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
एक बार में एक चीज बताए ना, P8 में क्या बताना चाह रही थी आप? P8 पहले कंप्लीट करिए, फिर जाइएगा P5.
P8 में Your Lordship, ये इंस्पॉट जो इंस्पेक्शन हुआ था Your Lordship, इसमें क्लियरली दिया हुआ है कि हमारा जो इंडस्ट्री थी जब इंस्पेक्शन हुआ था, it was working, Your Lordship, and they
आपको ये
closed down the industry only on the basis that we were not working, Your Lordship.
No, it is not that. You were given permission to install a plant for manufacturing of PVC bottle for the purposes of filling that Bailey brand of water Parle Group ka and to market it. This was the purpose for which lease was granted. Now, you are required to show that these machineries which were found during they have direct nexus with the purpose for which lease was granted.
Your Lordship.
And when these machinery was purchased.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship may come to page number 92, Your Lordship.
92.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Annexure P10.
Yes, Your
तो
Lordship.
P8 पे कुछ नहीं लिखना है ना? P8 पे कुछ नहीं दिखा पाए आप?
P8 में, Your Lordship, I am just trying to show that we were at a working condition on the spot, the day the spot inspection was done. And when they said that the factory was closed, in fact, it was not closed, Your Lordship. That is the point I was trying to highlight.
निरीक्षण दिनांक 30/11 को इकाई उत्पादन रत पाई गई. फैब्रिकेशन का कार्य हो रहा है, मशीनरी स्थापित है, विद्युत कनेक्शन जनरेटर सेट उपलब्ध है, विद्युत बिल वर्क ऑर्डर फोटोग्राफ संलग्न है. 30/11 रिपोर्ट डेटेड 30/11/2012.
Yes.
और इम्प्यून्ड ऑर्डर की डेट क्या है?
17/10/12.
17/10/2012.
Yes, my lord. Your Lordship, if I may just clarify what my learned senior is arguing, my lords. First appellate order was passed. Against that first appellate order, they preferred a second appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
First appeal was...
We can do. We are...
So here are the rules. Not like this. ये किसने सिखाया आपको? ये बहुत डिसेप्टिव प्रैक्टिस है. ये 2-3 प्रैक्टिसेस हाई कोर्ट में बहुत प्रिवेलेंट है. पिटीशन फाइल करना, स्टे लेना, स्टे के बाद अमेंडमेंट एप्लीकेशन लगा के पूरी की पूरी पिटीशन बदल देना. वी आर सीइंग इट फॉर मेनी इयर्स नाउ. डॉक्यूमेंट रिकॉर्ड पर लेकर नहीं आना, उसके बाद में कागज अक्रॉस द बोर्ड देना, सामने वाले को कॉपी नहीं होना, कोई संज्ञान नहीं होना. दीज प्रैक्टिसेस नीड्स टू बी कर्ब्ड. वो जजमेंट है तो दिल ले लेंगे आपसे जजमेंट, लेकिन इस तरीके से आप विदाउट फाइलिंग द कॉपी ऑफ द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑन विच यू वांट टू प्लेस रिलायंस, you cannot just hand them over across the board.
Apologize.
Ani, you are new to bar, therefore I am telling you all these things. Had your senior been there, consequences would have been different.
I will take them in my lordship.
हाई कोर्ट को इन सब चीजों से उभरने की बहुत जरूरत है, सख्त जरूरत है.
I sincerely apologize for the same, your lordship. But I was just pointing out your
शुभ नाम बताइए, अगर आपको इस रूल पे रिलाय करना है तो इसको फाइल करिए.
जी, your lordship. I will file it today itself, your lordship.
आपका शुभ नाम बताइए.
Your Lordship,
Aditi Srivastava, your lordship.
Ms. Aditi Srivastava praised for time to bring on record after arguing at length.
Your Lordship, if I may just elaborate on this, not only 10 seconds I'll take. My Lord, this first appellate order was passed under the rules of 2008.
Right,
My Lord, in the rules of 2008, there is no provision of second appeal.
right.
After that, in 2015 came the the amendment rules, my lords. In the amendment rules, there is a provision of second appeal.
Right,
My lords, once they've seized the jurisdiction under rules of 2008,
right.
my lords, there is no provision to seize again, take a benefit of a subsequent provision of the Amendment Act of 2015, my
So
lords.
2015 rules say that they have prospective application and will
Yes,
not
your lords.
apply to.
They
Specifically,
repealed, your lordship. The rule
Specifically-
clearly
What has been repealed? 2008 rules.
2008 rules, your lordship. Under rule
चलिए
45.
रूल आने दीजिए, इसके बाद इसको सुनेंगे. लिखिएगा. Record rules of 2008 and 2015. Let rules be brought on record within 2 days with advance copy to Shri Shubham Manchani appearing for the respondent. We'll list this case next week. On 1st November 2023. कॉपी रख दीजिएगा, लगा दीजिएगा फाइल में.
much of it.
Obliged.